Hello, we are back again with new episode, new week, new
Hello,
episode, and
people.
new topic, new guest.
Sup? My name's Hardik.
Hey, Hardik. Hello.
Yeah,
Myself, Himanshu Lad, and this is my friend Kedar Babulgaonkar.
yeah, I know Hardik from age 3.
Yeah, nursery.
Oh,
Yeah,
damn.
from Hardik, can you introduce yourself? You know what you do, what you like, and all that.
Yeah, sure. Uh, so right now I'm doing game design, BA in game design, and like I'm doing it for my break. I'm actually studying computer science, engineering, technology in University of Toledo, but it's closed right now due to Corona. So I'm here back in India, and I'm doing BA in game design for the time being.
Yeah, so we have a guest from all over from the US of the A.
Yeah.
Some international, we will get some international news about the games. Yeah, so as Hardik said, he is into the game designing. Our today's topic is games, video games or any sort of games, but digital games, not like sports vagera,
Okay,
from
sure.
computer to Xbox, PS5, or even not mobile games. We will not consider it because that's some another topic.
But still, bro, there's a lot of work put into mobile games too.
Yeah.
Respect to that.
Yeah, we can cover that too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Hardik, I just heard you have a pretty interesting background story of yours. Like, you are doing a BA in gaming. So, how exactly? What is exactly that? You create models and all that 3D renders.
So it's game. So game design consists of everything. It includes story, music, of course, level design, character designs. It's basically you design the whole game. As a game designer, my job is to create story, music, and tell programmers what to do. For example, all the mechanics and everything is designed by us, and this lot of depth into game design, because like there's game producer, then music producer, then there's character designer, level tester. So it's a broad field.
That sounds very cool. Matlab, you are kind of making a film, but game film. So
Yeah.
pura story ke saath and all that. So it's kind of awesome to hear.
So yeah, that's actually my end goal. I want to become a game director.
Yeah, it sounds cool.
Cool.
Like a video
Okay,
of
okay, that guy.
Death Stranding.
But what a fail, man. Death Stranding.
It was a fail, but what you can. So, very first question I want to ask to you both. I mean, what was the very first PC game you played? Computer game, very first computer game.
Pac-Man?
Well, Pac-Man, whoa.
Oh, nice. What was yours, Himanshu?
The Pac-Man, like the love of every arcade gamer. Like अभी हार्दिक तू US में रहता है ना, तो you must be knowing कि उधर arcades बहुत रहते हैं.
Yeah. So right now I'm back in India, but yeah, when I was there, arcades तो बहुत है.
Yeah, so like Pac-Man is like their
Yeah.
father figure.
Like that 80s and 90s type.
I mean arcades अभी न्यूयॉर्क वगैरह जैसा रहेगा ना, तो you'll have to like look into it किधर मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. बट मैं जिधर था उधर लाइक बैकवर्ड्स था थोड़ा, क्योंकि वो यूनिवर्सिटी टाउन था, राइट. सो जो हम लोग का यूनिवर्सिटी था वही डेवलप था. उसके बाहर जाएंगे तो इट वाज लाइक कंट्री साइड.
So my first game I played on PC was Minesweeper, I remember.
नाइस, क्लासिक.
Yeah, and later on, I mean, as I developed my computer, थोड़ा सा build अच्छा किया. The first ever game I played was Vice City. I mean, and then I was introduced to CS and all. But पहला I was introduced to GTA due to my elder cousin. What was your first game? Both of में मतलब ऐसा मतलब GTA type ऐसा कौन सा game?
Mine was Prince of Persia, Sands of Time.
Oh yeah, 8-bit वाला.
हाँ
अच्छा
नहीं
हाँ
नहीं 8-bit नहीं, द क्लासिक पीसी वर्जन.
हाँ वही.
Wait,
वे-
नहीं
वैसा
it was like a proper 3D game.
Yeah, like there are three doors. Like something I remember, three doors रहते हैं और उनमें से कोई तो एक चूज करने का टू गो इनटू अदर वर्ल्ड, ऐसा कुछ था क्या?
हाँ
प्रिंस ऑफ पर्शिया से मुझे ये याद है कि अलादीन बहुत मतलब ऐसा पहला जो गेम था मैंने कंप्लीट किया था. मतलब रहता है ना कि गेम पूरा कंप्लीट करने का रहता है विथ ऑल स्टोरी मोड एंड ऑल. सो अलादीन वाज
Yeah,
लाइक
yeah.
फर्स्ट गेम. व्हाट वर योर्स ऑन दैट कोर्स, gaming course?
First completed game. So like earlier you asked this question, what was your first PC game?
Yeah.
I would like to answer that. कि first
Mhm.
game was Road Rash. If you remember that
Oh,
game, epic
oh
game.
nice,
I
yeah.
completely forgot that.
रोड रैश फुल एकदम रेज रहती थी. लाइक मारते फिरो. लाइक रेस तो कंप्लीट नहीं करनी थी, बस एक दूसरे को मारते रहने का. दैट एंड
किसी ने अपना पर्सनल गुस्सा वो गेम पे निकाला है. मतलब किसी से झगड़ा हुआ तो पूरा गुस्सा मतलब हट वो लात मारने पे ही ज्यादा टाइम.
और जो
अरे हाँ, उससे याद है एक वो फ्लैश गेम भी था, बीटी और बॉस करके.
या राइट,
हाँ.
आपको चेनसॉ मिलेगी, बैट मिलेगी
हाँ
और
वही
वो
वही.
मारने का पूरा, उसपे कीड़े डालने का.
कोई लैन गेमिंग करता था क्या ऐसा? मतलब 5-10 रुपए या 50 रुपीज फॉर 1 आवर ऐसा लैन गेमिंग CS खेलने को कौन जाता था?
सी मैं आई थिंक मैंने लैन गेमिंग 10th के बाद किया, 11th या फिर 12th ग्रेड में.
ओके.
सो आई एम नॉट इनटू मल्टीप्लेयर्स दैट मच,
अच्छा मतलब
बट फ्रेंड्स रहेंगे तो मजा आता है. मतलब फ्रेंड्स के साथ खेलने में मजा आता है, बट ऐसा इंडिविजुअली आई डोंट एंजॉय मल्टीप्लेयर्स.
ओके.
अरे सेम इवन आई एम इनटू कैंपेन. लाइक कैंपेन में जो स्टोरीज रहती है ना, वो एक्सप्लोर करने में बहुत मजा आता है.
हाँ
घर से फॉरबिड करके रखा था कि साइबर कैफेज में नहीं जाने का, बहुत एक्सप्लिसिट एक्टिविटीज होती है,
हाँ
और फिर भी
एक्चुअली
जाते थे.
एक्चुअली घर से फॉरबिड किया था. बट हम आई डोंट नो ऐसे रहता है कि नहीं, बट हम लोग के इधर लोकल स्टोर में प्ले स्टेशन का कैफे था. लाइक 3-4 प्ले स्टेशन हुकअप किए थे, बड़ा स्क्रीन था लाइक अ प्रोजेक्टर, और हम लोग सब लोग एक साथ मिलके फिर फाइटिंग गेम्स खेलते थे. जैसे कि वो अपना ड्रैगन बॉल जी. इट वाज बैक इन 2012 और 10 PS3 के टाइम पे.
मैंने
Oh,
PS कभी खेला नहीं है. आई एम सॉर्ट ऑफ PC गेमर.
नाइस या मैंने भी अभी मैंने वो कैफे में जितना खेला था उतना, और अभी रिसेंटली मैंने PS गेम्स चालू किए क्योंकि ब्लडबॉर्न.
ओके.
सो वो ब्लडबॉर्न इज फ्रॉम माय फेवरेट क्रिएटर एंड ऑफ कोर्स माय फेवरेट फ्रैंचाइज, सोल्स फ्रैंचाइज.
मैं मतलब सॉर्ट ऑफ ज्यादा गेमर नहीं हूँ, पर नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ अ ह्यूज गेमर. मतलब जितना मैंने हार्दिक के घर पे जितने सीडीज और मतलब देखे गेम के, मतलब सो या ही इज अ ह्यूज गेमर. आई एम लाइक नॉर्मल अपना GTA पूरा करो और देन अपना दूसरा कौन सा GTA का ही फ्रेंड्स है. GTA के मेकर्स नहीं बनाया वो. नो, इट इज वेरी ओल्ड. मतलब ऐसा घोड़े पे सब चलता है. वो कौन सा गेम था?
मैक्स पेन.
रेड
Red
डेड
Dead?
रिडेम्पशन.
ओके.
वो एक खेलने में वो भी थोड़ा GTA वाइब्स देता है.
Good to know such a person like who's so much into games. Like 12th standard में like everyone was पूरा like पढ़ाई करो, 12th है, HSC देना है. Like I was like into the like ending 3 months में मैंने कुछ तो 7-8 games खत्म किए पूरे. Like Half-Life, you know, Half-Life 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Then Call of Duty Modern Warfare 1, 2, 3. Then Call of
Damn.
Duty Black Ops 1, 2. And then IGI 1 and 2. ऐसे सब मैंने कंप्लीट कर दिए 3 महीने में खाली.
Damn, nice.
I mean, हिमांशु के एक बार मैंने देखा, उसका इंस्टा फीड देखा, मतलब टैंक से भरा रहता है उसका, मतलब
मैंने एक्चुअली आई एम अ गेमर, बट मैंने लाइक प्रॉपर गेमिंग 10th आफ्टर 10th चालू किया. उससे पहले मेरे पास इतना लाइक अच्छा सिस्टम नहीं था. तो हेलो 3 या फिर वो रीच was the only thing I could play, you know. But
Yeah,
it's a really good game. It's a really good game.
yeah, like उस टाइम के लिए बहुत फ्यूचरिस्टिक गेम था हेलो 3.
हाँ, I mean उसके बाद में डिक्लाइन नहीं हुआ. अभी उसका AI वगैरह इतना अच्छा नहीं है. Fun fact, केदार, I play lot of games but I don't complete them. Like जो गेम मुझे like बहुत पसंद है ना, only that games I complete.
Okay, yeah, मतलब. Now from very hot topic, what are your reviews about Cyberpunk 2077?
Oh,
2070.
I mean, it was overhyped. I mean, the game is, I mean, it is an enjoyable game. It was overhyped. It's not like the developers or people who are marketing, it's not their fault. People overhyped it by themselves. Like, it was just a game. What do you expect? You know, people took like a 1 month leave from their office just to play this game.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Yeah.
I mean, it's good. Glitches are fun, but what do you expect? It's just a game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like even Keanu Reeves was there, so like people went mad.
Yeah. He
मुझे
was the
चाहिए
main guy to hype. You know?
Yeah, they thought it was going to be like game changing, like everything will be some new concept or something, but
We know the result.
Like even Call of Duty Future Warfare में भी Kevin Spacey था, but it went fine. Like it is a dope game.
yeah, I'll be honest, like I was not that into 2077. I mean, I don't like that kind of genre. I'm bored of it now, like FPS shooters. Only
Oh.
ones I look forward to are either Doom or Far Cry, because I enjoy the story of Far Cry.
So you enjoy more story-based games.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, who would not? I mean, who would not?
yeah, but not just that. Recently, I am really into like roguelike games or games like Hades, Dead Cells. I mean, they are roguelike, but what would you call 2D games, I guess.
What are your reviews, Himanshu, about?
About Cyberpunk? No,
Yeah.
not yet. Like मेरा सिस्टम नहीं है ना उतना तगड़ा, नहीं तो मैं कब का खेल like हो चुका होता खेल के.
Okay.
What's your review,
What?
Kedar?
I played it. I got vibes of GTA. you know,
Yeah,
in very GTA. Like I see, it can be very unpopular opinion, but I prefer GTA 5 still than Cyberpunk. I thought
Yeah.
graphics.
lot of people prefer GTA 5 over Cyberpunk.
शुरू किया है और Cyberpunk. It was like बोलते ही जा रहा है काम tutorials.
हाँ,
बहुत
I know.
tutorials आ रहा है.
I
एक
know.
ट्यूटोरियल तो पार भी नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब आई एम ट्राइंग माय बेस्ट मतलब ट्यूटोरियल से ट्यूटोरियल मैंने हाँ मालूम पड़ा इसको कैसा मारने का. जस्ट टेल मी द कंट्रोल्स, व्हाई आर यू वांट टू कंट्रोल बता दे बस, पर उसको कैसा वापरने का, कैसा उसका कॉम्बिनेशन. It fed up. I got fed up of it.
You know, that's why I like Dark Souls. It's just there, like game है, तुम लोग खेलो, कुछ हेल्प मिलेगा नहीं, तुम लोग को स्टोरी चाहिए तो खुद से देख लो. It's up to you. I mean,
Yeah,
it gives us choice, right? कि स्टोरी करना है तो हम लोग like पूरा चेकआउट कर सकते हैं स्टोरी, कंट्रोल्स इधर उधर थोड़ा समझाते हैं, and that's it. Everything else is you.
It can be an unpopular opinion. The most games I ever played were from Facebook games.
Oh,
I mean, I don't
Flash
think
game.
we can. I don't think we can consider in this, but those were the games. I became more social.
अरे वो तो like डिस्कस करने का फ्रेंड के साथ क्या खेला फेसबुक पे.
हाँ. I mean, उससे मैं मतलब बहुत सोशलाइज हुआ. मतलब अरे भाई, फ्रॉम फार्म विले टू सिटी, देयर आर मेनी विले गेम्स. सिटी विले, Paralyze, Miscripts. Oh, I
Yeah,
mean,
that's
like,
classic.
Miscripts is classic क्योंकि Nintendo उस time बहुत महंगा था. And Nintendo, for one reason, I wanted for Pokemon. Somebody likes Mario, but I always wanted to play Pokemon on Nintendo. But my dad was like, "नहीं नहीं मिलेगा." So on Facebook, Miscripts give many vibes like Pokemon. Like RPG style. You can compare with with friends. You can play with among them. You can battle against them.
Yeah,
You know,
totally.
Yeah.
yeah, I had made many Facebook accounts, to send gifts from that accounts to my main account. That was an era, Family
Yeah.
level is like, मतलब मैं कौन से 100th level पे गया था.
Yeah. I mean, it was
Yeah.
cool at the time, right? All the popular
Yeah.
kids were playing it.
Yeah. The main reason was popular friends used to play and like, अरे इतना मेरे पास वो वाला एनिमल है, तेरे पास वो वाला एनिमल है. After I passed 9th or
It gets a bit stale, right?
yeah.
I don't know how you played like Facebook games back in the day, because internet
Hmm.
connection was shit, man. Like kbps, speed was in
Huh.
kbps.
Yeah. But at that time, more than all these fighting games, I used to enjoy sports games. And like Cricket 007, I mean,
Oh my god. Cricket 07.
I mean, अभी भी खेलते हो
Their
क्या तुम?
jukebox.
Was that-
मैं उसका jukebox सेव करके रखा था. वो जो मेनू में उसके सॉन्ग्स लगते थे ना उसका.
हाँ.
Was that game a classic game, like a popular game?
Yes. I mean, the team was very classic. You didn't have Tendulkar. You have Tendi here.
Oh
copyright.
Oh, yeah. I remember that. Yeah.
Copyright issues, so धोनी के बदले धानी.
Dhenier.
Dhenier.
Dravia.
गंभीर के
Rahul
बदले
Dravia.
Draviar.
So do you play like modern games like NBA or something?
No, I'm not into NBA. I played football game, FIFA 21, 20, FIFA 20. I played with on my friend's PlayStation, and yeah, I suck at it. I suck at FIFA. So if you are playing against me, you can win by 10-1 or 10-0. Yeah, I suck
नहीं ये
at.
प्रैक्टिस करने पे सब है.
नहीं, I mean I suck at console gaming. I mean मेरा मतलब दिमाग वैसे फटाफट नहीं चलता. मेरा दिमाग WASD पे चलता है. WASD और arrows पे.
Arey, but once you get used to it, na, controller is way better.
Okay.
So like hack and slash game or sports game or even driving, controller is
Mhm.
way better.
Like once we get comfortable with PC भी से कि क्या यार कंट्रोलर PC पे ही मस्त है. पर एक बार देख टेस्ट लगना चाहिए कंट्रोलर का.
वो बहुत प्रैक्टिस लगता है उसे.
I mean, play a fun game, Dragon Ball Z, और फिर Street Fighter, Mortal
मैंने वो
Kombat.
खेला अपना MMA खेला है उस पे.
Oh, nice. I mean, ये जो
Anime का-
fighting games है ना, उससे like easily practice हो जाता है.
I remember I used to do this in school. I mean, मैं cheat अपना GTA का cheat था ना. So at the end of the day of school, we used to get together and मेरा पेपर था, मतलब स्कूल के बुक के पीछे हम लिखते थे चीज कि तू वाई सिटी का बता, तू सैन एंड्रियास का बता.
Who would have not done that?
Yeah, I mean,
San Andreas का.
सैन एंड्रियास का तो मेरे को थोड़ा अभी भी याद है, मतलब. I mean,
Yeah,
So,
I remember. Kedar, we used to do that in bus, right?
इन बस ऑल्सो, मतलब वो एक पेपर भर जाता था. मतलब I mean our school is very far away from the city ना, so एक 45 minutes लगता था हमको घर जाने पे. So back seat we used to come in. This is about 4th or 5th standard.
Yes.
Back seat हम बैठते थे. So there were 7 or 6 of us. So कोई बोलता था कि अरे गूगल पे ना ये साइट पे ना मैं ये चीट मिला है. तो यूज्ड टू नो, मतलब हमने पूरा वाई सिटी का कितना 50 सीट्स निकाला था. फिर सैन एंड्रियास का अलग, फिर GTA 3 का अलग, 4 का अलग. बट अमंग दैट सैन एंड्रियास इज लाइक अभी भी दिल में है आफ्टर GTA 5, बट सैन एंड्रियास इज लाइक भाई ये कभी भी खेलो बोर नहीं होगा.
और सैन एंड्रेस इज एवरग्रीन,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
अभी भी पड़ा
Himan,
है मेरे पीसी में.
Himanshu, so
Yeah.
do you have like a game you just go to like chill if you're bored or something? There's just like one go-to game, right?
Yeah, like right now I'm playing nowadays I play GTA 5. Like कभी बोर हो गया तो like एक 20-minute drive पे जाने का, ये like माइकल के साथ.
Nice.
Same.
Nice.
ग्राफिक्स आर सो like awesome ना, कि like और ग्राफिक भी awesome है और साउंड सिस्टम जो रहती है गेम की वो भी एकदम रियलिस्टिक है, so it gives you a realistic feel.
Yeah. And 2-3 mods डाउनलोड किए ना तो और भी अच्छा दिखता है. लाइक एक मॉड है ओपन 5 और 4 समथिंग,
Yeah.
उससे बहुत मस्त दिखता है लाइक GTA 5.
Oh, cool.
It-
Yeah,
I
I have
think-
heard that some people call it GTA 6. Like,
वो
think-
मॉड के
I
साथ
think-
राइट.
yeah, mod के साथ.
हाँ
आई थिंक सो उनने अभी टीज किया था अभी GTA 5 ऑनलाइन में ना एक मिशन आया था. सो इन दैट आई थिंक सो दे हैव टीज GTA 6.
हाँ उन लोग ने आई थिंक ये भी बोला कि लाइक नेक्स्ट GTA कैरेक्टर विल बी लाइक
फीमेल.
या मेन कैरेक्टर विल बी फीमेल.
And it is set into 1970s, and maybe it will release in 2023.
Oh, good to hear.
Oh, damn, that's different.
Yeah. That वो थोड़ा Red Dead Redemption का vibe दे.
But that's not GTA then, right? Because cars किधर है? Grand Theft Auto.
Yeah. Main yeah. देखते हैं उस टाइम के पुराने कार्स भी मतलब.
हाँ, वाइस सिटी का भी सेट है. कौन से एरा में? तो उसी एरा में सेट है ना, 80s में.
नहीं.
Vice City.
It's
Vice City was 2000.
oh.
No.
Oh, you
वाइस
mean like
सिटी 80s में.
Okay.
Himanshu, did you mean
Yeah.
like GTA 6 will be like 1970s?
Yeah, GTA 6 के
Oh.
बारे में.
Oh, my bad. I thought it was like 17, like
Okay.
17, yeah.
Yeah, no. Then there will be like bullock carts and horse carts.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, but like 1970s will be like all vintage Ford and stuff, right?
Yeah,
But there will be a good quality, you know.
yeah, lot to explore in that era. It can be interesting.
I
So
had
have
a
you
jet.
Kedar,
Mhm.
have you ever looked into Half-Life?
Yes.
I never played it.
Yeah, like the unpopular opinion I have, like I just love it so much for the storyline.
Yeah, I mean the story is good, but like for me it's like physics. Half-Life physics are like on another level, man.
like he can stand an entire army and like jump from cliffs and not die.
Half-Life, like there's no game that's as good as Half-Life in like physics point of view.
Oh, you were going into praising the game. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Like so I don't know like if there may be like better games, but like for now Half-Life is like best in terms of physics for me.
I never completed Half-Life, but this like in the December 2020, like मैंने decide कर लिया कि अभी complete करके ही उठूंगा. So
Yeah.
like it took me another 2 weeks. So मैंने complete कर ही लिया था.
Yeah, and I'm talking about Half-Life in like that era. For that era, its physics is like
Yeah,
Good,
yeah,
really good.
1999 में आया था.
even now it holds up to like some point.
Yeah, even now you can play like without getting bored and all. You won't look to the graphics क्योंकि storyline ही इतनी अच्छी है ना.
Yeah, except like उनके जो NPCs है like everyone looks the same.
Yeah.
Like almost
And-
everyone looks same. There are like 2 or 3 characters. Like one is that scientist guy, and the other one is that guard guy.
Yeah, and their dialogues are hilarious too.
Yeah.
Like if you scare them away, like they utter some bullshit every time.
NCPs are like the most fun, hilarious thing about every game. From I remember when I played Spider-Man, the Sony's new Spider-Man, not Miles Morales, the first part.
Okay.
I mean, the game was good in graphics, but the NCPs, they sucked. Kind of
Yeah.
sucked.
Yeah.
If you remember the boat mission, people in the boat are so 2D. I mean, they are not rendered well. I have to ask one question, genuinely question है सब पूछेंगे कि वाई सिटी का हेलीकॉप्टर मिशन को कितना देर लगा?
Damn.
टू बी ऑनेस्ट
Wow.
मुझे एक महीना लगा.
Helicopter is okay, चल helicopter, but train mission बोलो.
The most famous meme in the whole GTA universe.
All
you had to do was
to do was-
follow the damn train CJ.
Yeah.
But
I
RC
mean-
helicopter में like I took हाँ मतलब 2-3 weeks लगा. After I
mean-
left, like I gave up. 2-3 weeks later I gave up. Then after like 2 years I continued the game and then later finished it.
You took a lot of time.
I used to like play random missions because back then I didn't have a PC, so I used to go in cyber and just play whatever mission was on at that time.
Yeah, like वो अलग ही fun था.
Yeah, you just don't know what's it about. You just play.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
there are like 2-3 people right behind you, backseat gaming, telling you what to do.
I call them neck breathers.
I
But it was
remember
fun,
one-
man.
Yeah.
Yeah, cyber gaming is fun.
That was a fun. अभी रियलाइज होता है जब उनने जो स्टोरी जो कनेक्ट किया है ना GTA San Andreas और GTA 5 का, के बीच में CJ भी आता है जिन्हें GTA 5 में, मतलब इन स्टोरी मोड. I mean all that, it is a nice feeling, कि childhood भी हमारा,
Whoa.
connected है.
Spoiler alert. I did not play 5 yet. Come on, man.
Oh,
अरे भाई,
अरे क्या कर
it's
रहा
a
है?
6-year-old game, 6 to 5-year-old game.
I know. I just recently got it. Epic पे अभी free हुआ था तभी लिया.
हाँ
yeah.
तभी मैंने भी तभी ले लिया.
Yeah, I
mean-
also took then only. फिर एक महीने
I
में
mean-
कंप्लीट कर दिया.
Yeah, I mean क्वारंटाइन में दूसरा क्या था अपने पास
अरे but
करने के लिए?
कितना games है. I mean तभी Doom भी था, Doom Eternal. Right now, what are you guys playing right now? Like games? What games are you playing right now?
I am thinking to download the new Star Wars game,
Oh my god, like
Battlefront
I am a
or
Battlefront 2. Battlefront 2,
Okay.
Battlefront 2 and Squadron का भी मैं देख रहा हूँ अगर torrent मिला तो.
dude, you missed it. Like it was free on Epic last week.
yes.
What?
Yeah.
Which
Yeah.
one? Squadron or
Battlefront.
Like I am a huge Star Wars fan, so like it was my dream game कि मैं कब खेलूँ, अच्छा सिस्टम मेरे पास आए और मैं कब खेलूँ. लाइक ये जो मेरे पास पीसी है वो मैंने लाइक स्टडी पर्पस के लिए लिया है, तो लाइक अभी आया और जल्दी से खेल लिया Battlefront 2.
Nice. So, what are you guys into? Like any franchise you're into? Like Metro Exodus, GTA, Dark Souls, or anything like a franchise?
But to be honest, I'm not a huge gamer. I mean, I have big ass PC, but I mostly edit. My softwares take a lot. But I
Yeah.
enjoy to see. I mean, not Indian gamers. Sorry, Carry Minati fans, if you're hearing. Carry मेरा बाप नहीं हाथ. I mean, I enjoy Doctor Disrespect. Then
Oh.
PewDiePie. Now I mean PewDiePie when he was OG, CS wala.
I
Now he
can
just plays.
I can suggest you like one guy. His editing is on point. I like his like chill editing and music like Indie Mouse. His name is Indie Mouse. Like he uploads once a month, but it's good.
It's worth to.
Yeah. I really enjoy that guy. Like back when I was in US, like me and my friends used to like, if we had nothing to watch on Netflix or Amazon, we used to just sit back and put Indie Mouse on.